Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best tape logic knot is probably one of the most overlooked yet fundamentally crucial tools in any serious packing, shipping, or organizational endeavor, providing an unparalleled blend of adhesive strength and user-friendly application that can truly make or break the efficiency of your operations, ensuring your packages stay sealed and secure from start to finish, no matter the journey ahead. Number 5. Box USA Shipping Boxes Flat 12 by 9 by 4, 25 pack. Introducing the Box USA Shipping Boxes, your reliable solution for all packing, moving, and storage needs. These versatile corrugated cardboard boxes are designed to keep your items safe and sound. Don't compromise on strength. These boxes are heavy-duty, capable of holding up to 65 pounds, and are 32 pounds edge crush tested. They meet all single-wall box requirements for storage, mailing, and freight. They are perfect for a wide range of items, from clothing and books to household and office supplies. Whether you're moving, shipping, storing, or packaging for a small business, these supplies are ideal. This convenient 25-pack offers great value for your packaging needs. Manufactured by Avidity, you can trust in their brand new quality and consistent performance. Made from unprinted, single-layer corrugated cardboard, they are both lightweight and remarkably sturdy. These boxes are perfect for organizing files, business documents, and personal household items. Choose a sustainable option for your packaging. These boxes are 100% recyclable and reusable, offering excellent performance with simple materials. Plus, they are proudly made in the USA. What we like. These boxes offer exceptional strength, holding up to 65 pounds, ensuring your items are secure. They come in a convenient 25-pack, providing great value for your packing needs. If you are looking for robust, eco-friendly boxes for heavy items or large-scale moving, this bulk pack is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Tape Logic Packing Tape 2.6 mm. This clear tape is perfect for sealing cartons during moving, shipping, or long-term storage. It's designed to fit seamlessly with your standard handheld tape dispensers, making your tasks easier. Whether you're packing small, medium, or large cartons, this tape is up to the task. Its tear-resistant film ensures secure sealing for e-commerce fulfillment and safe transit. Featuring a robust acrylic adhesive, it sticks reliably to various corrugated and packaging surfaces. This tape is engineered to stay clear, preserving the visibility of your labels, barcodes, and important printed information. Beyond just sealing, it's ideal for bundling and general packaging needs. Use it confidently in your home, office, or busy warehouse environment for all your tasks. With a 2.6 mm thickness, this tape offers excellent strength for standard to heavy cartons. This measurement indicates its durability and suitability for demanding packaging jobs. What we like. This tape comes in a generous 36-roll pack, offering a long-lasting supply for your needs. Its acrylic adhesive remains clear, keeping labels visible over time. If you are looking for a clear, reliable tape for everyday shipping and storage, this bulk pack provides excellent value. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 3. Box USA Tape Logic Do Not Stack Warning Sticker. Ensure your packages are handled correctly with these prominent warning stickers. They clearly communicate important instructions to prevent mishandling during shipping and storage. These labels feature a strong pressure-sensitive adhesive, making them easy to apply to any package. Once affixed, they stay securely in place, delivering your message reliably. For efficient application, these labels are compatible with various tabletop dispensers. You can use them with stock numbers SL9506, SL9512, and SL9518 for seamless workflow. Need a space-saving solution? They also work with wall mount dispensers. Look for stock numbers LDM250, LDM450, LDM850, and LDM1250 to optimize your packing station. Each roll contains 500 labels, providing ample supply for your shipping needs. You receive one roll per case, ensuring you have plenty on hand for continuous operations. What we like. These labels boldly display "Do Not Stack" instructions, ensuring clear communication for handlers. With 500 labels per roll, you'll have plenty for your shipments. If you need to prevent damage from improper stacking and ensure careful handling, these are essential. What people say. Number 2. Tape Logic 3.5mm Industrial Packing Tape. This clear tape is perfect for sealing cartons during moving, shipping, or storage. It's designed to work seamlessly with your standard handheld tape dispensers. Whether you have small, medium, or large cartons, it's suitable for them all. Its tear-resistant film ensures secure sealing for e-commerce fulfillment and safe transit. Featuring an acrylic adhesive, it bonds effectively to various corrugated and packaging surfaces. This ensures your labels, barcodes, and printed information remain perfectly visible over time. Beyond just sealing cartons, it's also ideal for bundling and other general packaging tasks. You'll find it indispensable in your home, office, or warehouse. With a robust 3.5mm thickness, it provides industrial strength for your packaging needs. This mid-range to higher mil tape is perfect for standard to heavier cartons, ensuring maximum security. What we like. This tape boasts industrial strength with a 3.5mm thickness, making it incredibly durable. Its tear-resistant film provides superior carton sealing for heavy items. If you are shipping heavier cartons or require maximum security and durability, this industrial-grade tape is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted as per the requirements. Number 1. Tape Logic 1000 Labels, do not double stack fragile. Protect your delicate shipments with these essential labels. They clearly communicate handling instructions to ensure your packages arrive safely. This specific message helps prevent damage from improper stacking. It's a crucial reminder for anyone handling your valuable goods. These labels feature a strong adhesive for easy application. Their bold red and white design ensures the message is highly visible and easily understood. For efficient use, consider our compatible tabletop dispensers. They make applying these labels quick and hassle-free. Alternatively, wall mount dispensers are available for easy access in busy packing areas. They help streamline your workflow and keep your labels organized. Each case provides 1,000 labels, split into 2 rolls of 500. This generous quantity ensures you have a consistent supply for all your shipping requirements. What we like. These labels clearly communicate fragile and do not double stack instructions, protecting delicate items. With 1,000 labels across 2 rolls, you're well stocked for high-volume shipping. If you frequently ship fragile goods and need to ensure they are handled with utmost care, these labels are indispensable. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.